trick. And this morning we need to take a look on a prophecy which was delivered in August by Prophet Peter Wellington regarding Temba Gorimbo. So this is the account, Facebook account of Prophet Peter Wellington. There are so many prophecies right here, but let us go to this one. This is the prophecy which we need to deal with. So on 8 August, he posted and said, Temba Gorimbo, pray for this man. I saw pride washing away the grace. This is what he said. And he said, a simple fight that was meant for Gorimbo to win, but the reverse happened. In the vision, it appeared as a ball game in front of a huge population, more like in front of a crowd at a shopping mall of some sort. In that vision, I saw Gorimbo focusing and giving attention to the people at the mall while giving little attention to the opponent. Upon hitting the ball, I saw the attempt being a futile attempt. Temba went on to strike the ball to the opponent's side, and he could not score again, and I saw him being enraged. So this is very, very important, because we have seen this prophecy fulfilled at this point in time. There are so many people who wished him well, so many people who prayed about this issue, but it has happened. Sometimes when men of God speak, there is need for people to listen. But people look at status. How big is this man of God? How popular is this man of God? And that is what people consider the most. If you are not much popular, if you are not so big, people will disregard some of your prophecies. So this is something which is very, very important to note, that Temba Gorimbo lost this match because of pride, and this was prophesied by Prophet Peter Wellington. This is a man who prophesied about the several issues happening in the nation of Zimbabwe, and how a new great Zimbabwe is going to come about. More importantly, he noted whatever which is going to happen in Zimbabwe differently. Things are going to change for the good, and people are going to enjoy a new great Zimbabwe. But we need to remain focused. We need to pray so hard that when that day comes, change comes for all and for everyone. So I don't want to take much of your time. I just decided to come and share this prophecy with you, because it has been confirmed. It happened. We also what happened to Temba Gorimbo. The news is everywhere about Temba Gorimbo, the way he was defeated, the way he was choked. I have seen a lot of people saying Zimbabweans are laughing at Temba Gorimbo. People do not hate Temba, but sometimes, pride makes people do wrong things. So this is when Temba Gorimbo was defeated, and it was a scary scene, confirming the prophecy. So it's very, very important to note that these things happen when sometimes you fail to hear and understand what God is saying. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. I just want to thank everyone who is here with us this morning. Let us meet in other episodes as well.